Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacey here, and I'm back again with another DIY hair growth recipe. If that's something you're interested in, you want to make sure you keep watching this video till the end, and let's see what we're going to be working with today. The first ingredient we're going to be using for this DIY is going to be sesame seeds. So yeah, these seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which nourishes the roots and triggers hair growth. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and transfer these seeds into a jar, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in some water. So yeah, you want to just cover the seeds with the water a little bit, not too much water because we don't need a lot of water for now. So yeah, I'm just going to do that, and then go ahead and cover the jar and set it aside for about 6 hours or overnight, and then I'll bring it back when they're completely soaked. And as you can see, the seeds have settled under, which means they've completely soaked, and I'm going to transfer that into my blender cup, and I'll proceed to blending the seeds. Then I'll go ahead and add the other ingredients. So let's keep watching. And yeah, and just a little tip for those of you who will be soaking the seeds overnight, you want to make sure you keep them in the refrigerator because these seeds can easily get bad. So yeah, take note, and yeah, just let them soak while in the fridge. So now I'm done blending, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks, and I'll go ahead and use a white muslin cloth and proceed to straining out the juice, or just squeezing out whatever and leaving the chaffs because you don't want those particles in your hair. So yeah, as always, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Sesame seeds are oil rich, thus helping in moisturizing the scalp and improve blood circulation and rejuvenate the hair follicle. So yeah, it's very beneficial for our hair. If you're looking to rejuvenate your hair, you want to consider making this treatment mask and using it on your hair. So yeah, it also contains anti-aging properties that can nourish the hair and potentially slow down graying hair. So yeah, it prevents premature graying and stuffs like that. It also helps to promote hair growth. So yeah guys, I'll go ahead and add in some unsweetened yogurt into the mixture. I'm just going to take a couple of teaspoons and then add it into the mixture. And yeah, yogurt is also good. It nourishes the hair, makes it soft and easy to manage. So yeah, I'll go ahead and add that. There's so many other benefits for yogurt of yogurt for the hair and skin. Moving on, I'm going to add in some aloe vera gel. So yeah, I'm going to add in some aloe vera gel into the mixture, and then go ahead and then mix that up. And then I'm going to add some castor oil. Just a teaspoon of castor oil is okay, and you can add whichever oil of your choice, but I'm just going to add that, and then I'll proceed to transferring the mixture into my applicator bottle for easy application, of course. And yeah, so you know, oil and water do not mix. That's why you see those kind of bubbles in it. It's the oil. So yeah guys, this is the mask, and I'm transferring it into my applicator bottle. And so this is how the mask looks, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how I apply it to my hair. You want to make sure you apply this milk on clean hair. So my hair is clean, and I'm just going to begin applying the mask. And like I always say, I'm going to focus on my scalp. So you want to apply first on your scalp because that's where your hair grows from, and before you proceed to the length of your hair. So yeah, I'm going to begin that by applying to my scalp, like focusing on my scalp, and then massage it in before I move to the length of my hair. You want to make sure that your hair benefits from all the nutrients of the product. So yeah, so you can use this milk on your hair once a week. So yeah, it's a once a week treatment. So yeah, it really nourishes the hair and you want to make it part of your hair regimen, I know you can get sesame seeds at the supermarket or any local store around, and there are many types of sesame seeds. You can get the black ones or these ones. As for the aloe vera gel, you can always use the fresh plant if that's what you have. You can just prepare the fresh plant and add it to it, but I use the gel because I'm kind of allergic to the fresh aloe vera plant, so I always use like the ready-made one. So yeah, it's up to you. You can tweak the recipe as it fits or suits your need. So yeah, and then when it comes to the oil, like I already said, you can add whatever oil you choose to use: coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, even sesame seeds oil, like any oil you choose to use. So yeah, that's just it. So I'm still applying this to my hair, and like I always say, you want to make sure that you massage the product in. Yeah, massage it properly in. Scalp massages are really the best. It increases blood circulation to the scalp, so you don't want to miss it. And I realized that when you're applying mask like this, there's the opportunity for you to take the time and really massage your scalp. So yeah, just go ahead and twist up each section when I'm done, and I'll go ahead and do that for the other section. And yeah, so look at my hair. It does also help with detangling the hair. So yeah, it makes it easy for me to detangle my hair with this treatment. After applying the mask to the entire hair on my head, I'm going to go ahead and cover it in a plastic bag and put it in a steaming cup. Like I always say, I have low porosity hair, so using heat is a must. So yeah, I go ahead and put it in a steaming cup and just steam my hair for like 10 to 30 minutes, just so that the nutrients penetrates, or to open up my hair follicles for the nutrients and all the benefits of the product to penetrate my hair rather than just sitting on top. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and that's what you should do as well if you have low porosity hair. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you've tried this before, let me know in the comment section below, and if you still plan to do so, let me also know as well. And if you enjoyed the recipe, I would like to know that as well. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always supporting me, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below, and I'll see you guys. Bye.